In this video, I'm going to show you how to open up the gas tank lid on the 2016 Toyota Scion. Access to the gas tank lid is on the driver's side of the 2016 Toyota Scion. It's behind this circle panel. On some models of vehicles, not this one, you can just press on it and it'll open up and hinge outward. You cannot do that on this vehicle. It is locked. So the only way to open it is to actually have access to the interior of the vehicle. It's a great safety feature for the vehicle to prevent vandalism of the car. So let's go ahead and get this open. On the driver's side floor on the left, you will notice that there is a lever and it has a picture of a gas pump. So you go ahead and pull that up, and that's going to pull a cable that will release the locking mechanism on the gas tank lid. So then you can go ahead and open this up. This is the little actuator that is used to lock and unlock. And now you have access to your gas tank. You'll go ahead and unscrew this, and you can place this right here while you're filling up. Once you're done filling up, just do all those steps in reverse. Go ahead and close up your gas tank. You want to make sure you hear a couple of clicks. If you don't hear those clicks, sometimes on some vehicles that can cause a check engine light to come on. So make sure that you close this all the way, and then go ahead and close this and suppress the lid all the way until you hear a click. It should not be open once you're done. So that's going to secure your gas tank lid. I hope that video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.